Have you ever spent minutes just trying to remove one awkward sentence from your video? Hate removing ums and ahs from your timeline? Same. Maybe you keep dragging the timeline, zooming in, cutting frame by frame, and somehow it still doesn't look right. What if you could edit your video just by editing the transcript, like deleting text in a document? In this video, I'll show you how to edit videos with text in HitPaw Edimakor in just a few minutes. Later, we'll compare it with CapCut to see how the two stack up. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 2. Text-Based Editing. Once you've launched HitPaw Edimakor, import your video and add it to the timeline. You can either right-click the video and select Smart Editing, or go to the Subtitles tab and choose Text-Based Editing. Here you'll find two features: AI text-based editing and silence detection. Now, let me walk you through both. Click Start Editing to begin. After a short analysis, Edimakor will automatically transcribe the spoken content in your video. Every word in the transcript is selectable and editable. Simply select the text you want to remove, and Edimakor automatically jumps to the matching video segment. Delete the text, and the corresponding clip is removed instantly. You can also use the Find and Replace feature to quickly remove repeated filler words, as well as correct transcription mistakes in bulk. This means you no longer need to zoom into the timeline, repeatedly play back your footage, and manually locate and cut unwanted sections frame by frame. It's a much faster and more efficient way to edit videos, especially for beginners and content creators working with talking head videos, interviews, podcasts, or tutorials. As for silence detection, this feature automatically identifies pauses and silent sections in your footage. With just a few clicks, you can remove these unnecessary gaps and make your video flow more smoothly. Once you've finished cleaning up the text, hit Done. You'll now have perfectly synced subtitles and a trimmed video based on your edits. From here, continue refining your project, customize subtitle styles, add background music, transitions, or effects, all within Edimakor. Step 3. Compare with CapCut. Now, let's see how the free version of CapCut performs. Import your video, then right-click and select Transcript. CapCut quickly generates an accurate transcript. CapCut's interface isn't quite as intuitive as Edimakor's, but the overall editing workflow is very similar. Simply select the text you want to remove, and the corresponding video clip is automatically highlighted. Delete the text, and the matching video segment is removed at the same time. On the plus side, CapCut can automatically detect filler words, allowing you to remove them with one click. However, there are a few limitations. While CapCut lets you search for keywords, it only highlights the matching results. You still have to delete them one by one. It doesn't support deleting all matches with a single click, nor does it offer a Find and Replace feature for quickly correcting transcription errors. CapCut also offers an Overdub feature, which lets you regenerate or replace spoken words with AI-generated voice. However, it requires a CapCut Pro subscription and is currently only available in select regions, so depending on your account and location, you may not be able to access it. Once you're done, clicking Done won't sync your changes to the subtitles like Edimakor does. To get proper subtitles, you'll need to upgrade to CapCut Pro. Overall, both tools make transcript-based editing much easier than editing directly on the timeline. Both are great options depending on your needs. CapCut even includes AI Overdub, though it's currently only available in select regions. If you're looking for a smoother editing experience with features like Find and Replace, one-click cleanup, and smart silence detection, Edimakor offers a more streamlined workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.